Yo, my people, what's up? What's up? What's up? This is Joe Crizzle. Man, I got something special, man, for like the producers, especially for the engineers, man. And some of y'all might know about this, some of y'all don't. Now, we all know how important it is, right? To get good quality of vocals. We already know that how important that is to get good takes. First, the artist got to be nice. He got to know what the hell he's doing. Then it's all important, the quality. So that means that you got to have a room that you know, that's very isolated, right? And back in the day, you know, we used to record with like egg crates and everything, record in the bathroom and put blankets in the bathroom and all that type of stuff, right? When the average boy could you know, afford the recording in the recording studio. You get what I'm saying? And so we did all type of things to figure it out, you know, figure ways out. So, but now, a few years ago, they came up with something called the, what they call it, the mic reflection filter. I had one, right? Different companies and everything, right? And the reflection filter was something that goes behind the mic on the mic stand that you can travel with, that, you know, kind of blocks the, blocks the reflection from going through the mic. You know, it prevents the sound from bouncing off the wall and coming back through the mic. So they put the reflection filter around the mic, you know, to keep that sound in. And some reflection filters are good, some not. It's better to get one that's pretty tall and, you know, go around the mic, you know, enough that you could fit that's decent. And they good for, you know, time is money. So they was good for when, you know, in 2018, 19, 17, I think started from 2010, I think so. Well, probably before that. Everybody was traveling, recording in the studios, man. They was recording in the hotels. Time is money. They're trying to get this stuff out. They might go mix it in a professional studio, you know, and stuff like that, and take it to a bigger studio. But when they're on the road, they got to find special places to record to keep that sound in. Then also they'll record on buses and everything. But check this out. So I invested in something that's beyond that, man. And you can also travel with this. You could take it with you. It's a little big, a nice little size, but you can put it in a special bag that's made for it and everything. And it's called the ISOVOX. But I'm about to show y'all, but check this out. So this is the ISOVOX, people. This is the ISOVOX. It's like a little booth, right? I don't got my mic in it right now. You got a light that you could turn on right here. You know, to keep, you know, I don't know why that's coming up. You know, so what happens is that it holds a speaker mic stand. And this part right here, the artists go under this part right here. Their shoulders is under this. So it's kind of like this. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is how it sounds when you're inside of it, you know. It blocks all the sound, and then on top of it, it have this little thing on the back that you pull down. You bring yourself in like this. You get what I'm saying? You know, I got to straighten these out right quick for these young boys, man, you know. But anyway, this is how it sound when you're in it. And it sound like you're in a straight isolated booth. When I say it's good quality, and the price that the average price they run is between $700 to $900, you know. So you have just like this little lid that come down like this. You know, they got the Velcro. They got the Velcros on here that you can actually pull the whole thing is Velcro. You can pull it loose from the front to the back and everything. You can turn it. You can do everything. But I want to talk y'all ears off, man. If y'all got money, y'all got time, man. Y'all got that money. You know, it's all about investing in your quality, you know, your stuff that you doing. So it's all about, that's what it's about. Get you one of these, fellas. Get you one of these, man. I promise you, man, you'll thank me later. If you don't know about it now, get you one of these. You'll thank me later. That's about it. They come in white. They come in black. Only two. Yeah, that's the only two I seen. White and black. That's the only two I seen. White and black. And get you one, fellas. Get you one. This your Crizzle. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all want to know more about the about this joint, man, let me know. It's the ISOVOX2. ISOVOX2. I'll put the link up on the page. Peace.